Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. BEd first year, first semester, Nature of Science, Science and Society, Biological Science, Physical Science, Social Science, and Maths also. First unit, Nature and Scope of Mathematics and Society. These units are common. In Here, what do you mean by science? This question came in 2017 and previously also asked this question along with two questions like that. What do you mean by science? Explain scientific methods like that they are given. Meaning of science. Science here the Latin word science is coming from a Latin. Here verb is there, noun is there. Latin verb scia, which means to know. Latin noun scientia, which means knowledge. Meaning of science is taken from German word Wissenschaft. Meaning of science is taken from a German word Wissenschaft, which means systematic, organized knowledge. Here so many definitions given by different scientists. Here 2-3 definitions we will see. First one, W. Green. Science is a way of investigation. Science is cumulative body of knowledge. According to W. Green, science is a way of investigation. Science is a way of investigation. Science is cumulative body of knowledge. Science is cumulative body of knowledge. According to Fitzpatrick, science is cumulative, endless, empirical observation which results in the formation of concepts and conceptual schemes. Basing on above definitions, we can understand that science is a process, science is a product, science is a knowledge, science is a process plus product, like that. Here we have to write one of the equation, one of the table form like that. Now science equals to science P plus P, process plus product. Science equals to M plus K, method plus knowledge. Science equals to SM, SA, SK, scientific method, scientific attitude, scientific knowledge. Science is dynamic. It keeps adding changes in the light of further investigations. Science is dynamic. It keeps adding changes in the further investigations. Science is cumulative knowledge. Science is a way of method, inquiry and discovery. Science is a way of thinking. Okay, this is enough for what do you mean by science. And here for general person, for philosopher, for scientist, these also you have to write in what do you mean by science. Here one more question also covered here. This question came in 2018, December 2018. Here and January 2019 also came. Write the difference between here common person and scientist. Outlook of common person and scientist, like that came in previous 2019, 2020 also came. Here this answer also, what do you mean by science, also covered this answer. Here these points you have to outlook of common person. First you have to write what do you mean by science and meaning of science, definitions. Then afterwards you have to write common person, nothing but a layman or general person. How they are thinking, this is science is nothing but they are thinking common person, they don't know scientific method, process, concepts, principles, they don't know. That's why they are thinking it is a scientific information. They are thinking like that. For general person, it is a body of scientific information. They are thinking like that. Why? Because they don't know that concepts, principles, methods, hypotheses, conducting the experiments, they don't know. That's why this is a body of scientific information. Like that they are thinking for general person or layman or common person. Okay, but a scientist, every day they are conducting experiments, whatever it may be, they are doing always. So they are, this is a method by which hypotheses are tested. It is a method by which hypotheses are tested. Next one, for philosopher, it is a science is a way of questioning to find out the truthfulness of knowledge. Okay, they are philosophers. Sometimes what they are talking also we are not understanding. They are find out in truth, and it is a way of questioning to find out in the truth. Define science. One more important question, very important. 2017 came, 2020 also came. Define science, to explain the nature of science. Here two questions like that they are asking. What do you mean by science, or define science, explain the nature of science. Here nature of science, very important question. Nature of science. Here nature of science, before you have to start what do you mean by science, definitions of science. Then afterwards you have to start nature of science. Nature of science have certain characteristics which distinguish it from other spheres of human endeavor. Here few of the important characteristics I am going to discussing. First of all, you can remember easily one formula, SP prit A Ts. SP prit A Ts. SP, prettier, TS. S means science is systematized body of knowledge. Science promotes curiosity. Science is a particular way of looking at the nature. Science has rapidly expanding body of knowledge. Science as an interdisciplinary area of learning. Science as a truly international enterprise. Science is always tentative nature of scientific theories. Science promotes skepticism. First one, science is a systematized body of knowledge. Science is a systematized body of knowledge. Here, first question we wrote some of the information. Science equals to P plus P, M plus K, SM plus SK plus SK. That all information here you have to write, means more information is you will cover. Here, science is a combination of process, product. First of all, we are doing process now. We have to conducting some experiment, that is nothing but process. Finally, we will get some product. It is a combination of process and product. Scientific knowledge in the form of theory. Scientific knowledge in the form of theory. We have to forming a hypothesis, conducting experiments. If it correct or not, we don't know. First of all, we based on our ideology, we have to forming hypothesis, conducting experiments. Based on our hypothesis, the results will come out. If it our hypothesis will wrong, again we have to form new hypothesis. Again we are conducting experiments. Like that we are doing now. Science is a systematized body of knowledge. Next one, science promotes skepticism. Second one, scientific knowledge based on curiosity. Okay, it creates so much curiosity. For example, we have to take small children into botanical garden or any park. They are asking n number of questions. What is the reason? How these leaves are like that? Why these leaves are green color? Some leaves are white color or red color. They are asking so many questions. For example, if they will touch any touch-me-not plant is there in that garden, if they will touch, it will folded now. If it any object will touch, means it will be folded. Why they are asking why the leaves are folded, why it will be open after some time, like that they are asking n number of questions, like that what's the name of this plant, like that they are asking so many questions. They act like a mini scientist. This is about the science promotes curiosity. Science promotes curiosity. In this way, it creates the find out the reason in the nature. Children, they will find out the reason in the nature. Next one, science is a particular way of looking at the nature. Science is a particular way of looking at the nature. Here, any biological students here, they have to draw a nice view of sunrises, hills, water body. Like that, they have to draw a nice diagram. Here, science is a way of learning about the nature. Science is a way of learning about the nature. How the nature behaves, how the nature got to be the way it is. How the nature behaves, how the nature got to be the way it is. Science focuses exclusively on the nature. Science focuses exclusively on the nature. It is not a simply collection of facts. It is a rather path to understand the phenomena. We have to understand the phenomena. In that science, we are again we have to testing, verifying results, correct or not. We are checking in science. If it anything say. If any new product is there, new hypothesis is there. So many scientists also they are conducting experiments, and it is correct or not they are checking. They will have skepticism. That means doubtful. It is correct or not, like that. We are also collection of facts, understand the phenomena in science. Science is the nature existing around you. In nature, we are seeing the morning sunrises. How this energy will come. So we have to go to the energy law. Okay. Based on energy law, we can't create and we can't destroy. It will convert it into one form to another form. Is there? So we have to be understand here. Sunrises. Sun is releasing the heat energy. Heat energy. Without heat energy, no organism will can't be. Why? Because heat energy is required. We are getting food items. How it will become food items? In the presence of sunlight and the plants, they can prepare their own food. These food items we are utilizing, and we will get energy. And animals also like that. In animals also, some are herbivores, some are carnivores, some are omnivores. We are herbivores. First of all, plants are autotrophs. Auto means they can prepare their own food. In the presence of sunlight, they can prepare their sunlight and chlorophyll. They can prepare their own food. Green color leaves are there. That plants in the presence of sunlight, they can prepare their own food. That food items are there stored in the plant that utilized ours. Why? Because we can't prepare. If we will prepare, means our body also become like a green color. In our body also present a chlorophyll. This is science promotes curiosity. Science promotes way of looking at the nature. Okay na. Remaining points are then characteristics that I will discuss in next video. If you want more updates, you can like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.